Hello there people, this is the 1974 Z9 front wheel. Fully restored, fully refurbished, stainless steel spokes, brand new disc and tyre and tube. Let's have a look at it. We've got a brand new rim, brand new disc, brand new everything, stainless steel bolts and lock tabs. Let's just roll him over and have a look at that. Wow, it's a beautiful looking wheel. Just sexy wheels. There it is there. Just gorgeous if you like that sort of thing. Just beautiful. Yes, it's nice to see something so old brought back to life. And there's the stainless steel wheel cover, refurbished and remanufactured. Just a stunning example. Just stunning. Just beautiful.